So yeah, it seems a lot of time spent in relationships is spent trying to explain or understand the other person, and that's more on the conscious side. On more of the less developed or conscious side is basically criticizing or blaming the other person. But when you get to a higher stage of development, at least in my development, I've noticed a lot of the time spent talking is, in terms of like disagreements or upsets, is spent trying to understand, or to be understood, or petitioning or fighting to be understood, trying to make or force or coerce or beg or plead with the other person to please listen and understand us, or they're trying to help make us do that and listen and understand them. So understanding, step one, understanding will never occur if people are unwilling to listen and let the other person speak, so that they can have an open space to attempt to explain or put forward their experience and perspective. So, like I said in a previous video, the number one thing you don't want to do is interrupt and distract the other person with a raised voice, or your own talking and interrupting and debating or defending, or even just interrupting with an explanation. You don't want any interrupting if possible. The optimal way is to listen as thoroughly as possible. Let them keep talking and ask them if they'd like any reply from you, or also let you know when they're ready or wanting to hear anything back from you. And the question, like, is there more, or is there anything else you'd like to share, or is that everything? Was there anything else you'd like to mention? That helps people to feel like you're really trying to listen and give them the table to talk. And we don't just say it, but we actually mean it, and it's meant from our heart, and it's not just something said as a tactic. So yeah, think about that. Are you in what I might call phase one of relationship talk, when there's an upset, which is blaming, criticizing? Or are you in phase two, where you're trying to simply communicate, so you're developing your listening ability and your ability to create connection and harmony and feelings of being safe and understood? That's where I'm at the moment, and have been for the last 2 years in my current relationship. So I just thought I'd make this video, and I felt inspired just to get it over with, to get it out there, rather than have suppressed thoughts. Well, not suppressed, but thoughts that haven't been expressed for the purpose of benefiting watchers and viewers who can really help transform their relationships and their life, and even their families, or maybe even parents too, like home life and individual personal lives too. So yeah, I won't say a lot of other stuff because other things will be said in other videos, and I don't want to take away from this video. So reflect on this and go home and develop your listening abilities. And remember, the longest distance, the longest journey is from the head to the heart. So work on that too. So that's your take home work. And I wish you all the best and lots of care towards you. And if you've liked this video, please give it a like. Feel welcome to leave any comments. Friend me on Facebook and Instagram below for personal consultations or relationship mediation, or coaching or consultations, or for my herb store, Higher Self Herbs. Discounts off for 20% discount off first time subscriber. Just check out the links below, and I look forward to hearing from you. Until the next video, have a nice day.